Hey guys, it's Brenton from MedLeague. Today I'm going to show you how to use our volunteering database. Go to the classroom and then under the databases folder, you'll see the volunteering option. Give that a click and you'll appear at this page. So what you're going to want to do is click on that and it'll pull up a page that looks exactly like this. From here, it's very, very large. We've got 15,000 rows, so you want to be able to view this in a more filtered way. So there are a couple ways I recommend. The first, just searching based on the city. So you're going to go to the data in the top left, then click create a filter view. This will let you then see this little 3-line thing on the city. You can click that, and then you can select what city you want. So I recommend clicking clear all, and say you're from New York City. I would just type in New York. You can see all the cities that start with new that we have in the database. So maybe you want to see what's in New York, so we'll hit OK. And now it's all filtered specifically for New York datasets, which it doesn't look like a change because New York is what was on top. So let's see if we put in something else like Akron. So boom, now we got Akron or Akron. So we see the search city, the organization doing it, the location, if it's virtual, all of these are virtual, which make it nice and easy for you to get a lot of volunteer hours. And then the description. This tells you what is expected of you in the job, the date the job was posted, and then a link you can click on to actually apply for this volunteering position. Another good way to search this database is just to use Control F and search for different keywords you might care about. So let's say you want to do something about STEM. So I look up STEM and I get 3 hits. So I get one here, one down there, and one up top. So just in Akron, there's 3 different volunteering options that involve STEM. Great, there's probably more, but 3 actually say STEM. For each city, there are roughly 100 job options, so quite a few for you to check out and see. If you really want to see all of the descriptions, just go back to the filter and select all. So now when you're Control Fing for STEM again, we're going to get a lot more than 3. So in this case, we get, it's counting, 597 options involve STEM in somehow. So this is a massive database I really want you to use to make sure you get the absolutely perfect volunteering position for you as a pre-med that aligns with your story. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the school group. Hope to see you around.